My favorite easy quiche recipe from homemade crust. Roll the crust and put it in the pie dish. Put the dough in the quiche dish. Store the quiche dish in the fridge and prepare the filling. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Today I have spinach, pepper, onions and kale. Wash and cut them. Try not to cry when cutting an onion. Sauté onions and peppers separately. I usually cut the greens while the other vegetables sauté. Mix veggies and spices. Cooked veggies with very lightly cooked greens. Some spices for the kick. I'm going to use today Garam Masala and some Italian seasoning. And my favorite ingredient, Farina. Mix everything. Put the filling in the quiche dish. Top it with some cheese. You can wrap it. It's optional. Make it look a little bit better. Cook for 50 minutes. The quiche is delish. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to posting my favorite recipes from Mrs. Boots.